Stop uploading blindly and start using the two most powerful tools inside YouTube that 90% of beginners ignore: cards and end screens. Let's turn your channel into a binge-worthy sales machine in just a few minutes. Today's video is a game changer. We are diving into YouTube cards and end screens to keep your viewers watching, improve your channel's performance, and even lead people to your offers and funnels. This is not theory. It's a simple action that most digital CEOs ignore, but the smart ones are using it to grow faster. What are cards and why should you care? YouTube cards are those small clickable pop-ups that show up in the top right of a video. They look like little suggestions, but they are actually powerful conversation tools. So here's what you can do with them. Promote another video or playlist. So let's say you are teaching about how to create a digital product. You could add a card linking to another video, maybe that says how to price a digital product, something related. Drive traffic to your lead magnets. If you're offering a free ebook or a workshop, you can link it with a card and start collecting emails. No funnel tool needed. Maybe you want to ask your audience what digital products they want you to build next. Use a pull card. The best part, these cards show up when your viewer is most engaged, not at the end when they might click away. So let me walk you through how to add cards step by step. Go to your YouTube studio, click on the video you want to edit, hit editor, then click cards. Choose the card type, add another video. Maybe there's another video that is linking to that particular video you are editing. You could add the card there, or you can add a playlist. If you have already created playlist where people can go and maybe learn about a particular series, maybe you're talking about digital products and you have a lot of videos about it, a playlist, and this video you are now editing is part of that playlist. So you can link that playlist to this video. You can pick any of your playlist. You could also get a link. You will see either add a video or a playlist or link, so you choose the one you want. Now pick the time in the video where it should pop up. So for example, if you mention your ebook at 3:15, add a card right at that moment that links to your promo video or playlist. You don't just throw cards everywhere. Link the cards to something relevant you are talking about. You can customize the text, make it clickable. Like, want to monetize your brand? Watch this next. Pro tips: don't add so many cards. Just stick to 2-3 max. Place them during natural breaks. Don't interrupt your own message. So this is why cards boost your channel. When you use cards the right way, you get more watch time, higher retention, better chances of being recommended by YouTube. Let's say someone watches your how to start a YouTube channel video and you add a card linking to your how to get more views on YouTube video. Boom, they click and watch that one too. That's double the watch time and double the value to the algorithm. How to test and improve your cards. So this is not a one and done action. You have to check how your cards are doing. Which one is working best? Which one are people clicking more? You have to test it. Go to YouTube Analytics, check your card click-through rates, see which cards people are clicking and which ones they're ignoring. Then adjust the timing or the message or video you link to. So you try testing cards in the first 3 minutes versus last 3 minutes, polls versus video suggestions, linking to best performing versus newer content. So this helps you create a data-driven channel, not a guessing game. Now let's talk about the part most creators sleep on. Cards are amazing, but if you don't use end screen, you are leaving people hanging at the most critical moments. What are end screens? End screens are the clickable boxes that show up in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. So think of them as your final pitch. So here's what you can add: a video, a playlist, a subscription button, a link to another channel like a collab. So when your viewer is wrapping up the video, Instead of bouncing off to someone else's content, you keep them in your content ecosystem. So let me show you how to add your end screens step by step. Step 1, go to your YouTube studio, then to videos, to the editor. Click on the end screen tab, choose what you want to promote. So there's latest upload, there's best for viewer, then you can choose a specific video you want the viewer to see, or you choose a playlist. You can also choose subscription button. So drag and drop the elements into the end screen timeline, usually the last 10 to 15 seconds of your video. You can also decide the exact second where you want the end screen to appear. So you can watch your last minute of the video and see exactly where you want the end screen to pop up. You can adjust this with the timing. Pro tip, keep it simple. 1 to 2 elements only. You can use best for viewer if you want the YouTube algorithm to pick what they see. You could also add a voiceover like, "Don't leave yet, click the next video to keep building your brand." And this is why end screens work so well. End screens guide the journey. You are not leaving viewers wondering what to do next, which video to watch next. You are literally showing them the path. You increase watch time, you grow subscribers, you boost video views, and you look polished and professional, even if you're just working solo on your phone. It's like handing someone the next chapter before they act. So just like the cards, you need to also test and track your end screen. You don't just put them and walk away. You have to know which one are people clicking, which one are people interested in. In analytics, watch your end screen city arrow. If no one is clicking, change the timing or text. Try linking to a series playlist versus a single video. Promote your newest video versus your most viewed video. Don't just hope your channel grows. Build a strategy that keeps people watching and clicking every single time. If you want to learn all the strategies the pros are using to blow up their channels, grab the Ultimate YouTube Upload Mastery, and it's free for a limited time. It covers from titles to thumbnail, description, tags, hashtags, playlists, end screens, subtitles, everything you need to use and upload like a pro. Go to the link in the description and download your copy. You can also binge on this playlist right here. Don't just upload, build an empire. So like and subscribe if this helped. I'll see you in the next one.